Hey there, young curious minds. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where I'm all about exploring the coolest, craziest, and most mind-boggling things in the world. And today, hold on to your lab coats because we're venturing into the marvelous world of 365 more simple science experiments with everyday materials. Imagine having a treasure chest filled with 365 exciting experiments you can do with stuff you find around your house. That's exactly what this book offers. Authors E. Richard Churchill, Louis V. Lusking, and Merle Mandel have cooked up a mind-blowing concoction of science experiments that will make your brain tingle with joy. Whether you're a science whiz or just dipping your toes into the scientific waters, this book is perfect for you. It's like a magician's hat that keeps pulling out one amazing experiment after another. From making gooey slime that behaves like a mischievous monster, to crafting a volcano that erupts right in your kitchen. Get ready for a non-stop fun that sneaks in a whole lot of learning. Coolest part, you don't even need gadgets or crazy chemicals. Nope, just regular stuff from your kitchen, like vinegar, baking soda, and even that old cardboard box. These experiments are all about turning everyday items into tools of scientific discovery. But wait, there's more. Each experiment comes with easy to follow steps, colorful pictures, and clear explanations. You'll be like a mad scientist in no time, mixing and swirling to uncover the secrets of the world around you. So dive into the pages of this book and you'll find yourself uncovering the mysteries of water, air, light, and more. You'll learn why some things fizz and pop, why shadows dance, and how plants can be real water drinking champs. Whether you're spending a lazy weekend indoors, having a science themed sleepover, or simply want to amaze your friends with some epic experiments, 365 more simple science experiments with everyday materials is your ticket to a year-long adventure in exploration and discovery. And before you go, don't forget to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, hitting that subscribe button, and sharing this video with all your fellow young scientists. Remember, science isn't just for the classroom, it's everywhere, and it's awesome. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next experiment-packed video.